So today we are starting our MySQL discussion. We are continuing our MySQL discussion, and this is Northwind database. This is a database that is a great example of relational database, you know, and in this database when you will click here, you will go to more. You can see a designer. Don't worry about it, where is it coming from, but you can see we have a designer here where it is showing how all tables are related, and this is what I am going to teach you today. Okay, so for this database you can search Northwind diagram. Okay, I will give this link to you guys also, and we have to open this link of Wikiversity. So this is very much close to what data to the database that we already have. So you will open link here. Now this is showing us that in a database it is a collection of n number of tables. Okay, and what are those tables? Those tables are categories, customers, employees, orders, etc. Let's say there is a trading company. Okay, maybe I explained this earlier, but since some other students are now today with us, let's say we have a trading company. So as a trading company, what are we trading, or what do we trade? Goods, right? Products. So it starts with storage of products. So first table is our products table. Now there will be some suppliers who are supplying these products to us. So that will be suppliers. Is it okay? When suppliers are supplying these products may be of different categories. Like if you have seen Amazon website, or if you have seen Flipkart, there also you will find many categories. Categories like electronics, furniture, books, etc. etc. So first of all, is this much relation clear to you? That suppliers are supplying these products, and these products are of different categories. Is this clear or not? Any questions here? So is this part clear? Like a very simple thing, like if a trading company is there, consider any superstore. So they will have some suppliers, na?
Yes.
In a superstore you will find vegetables, fruits, grocery items, even electronic items, right? They are strategically placed, whether you go to Reliance Superstore or Walmart or Big Bazaar, wherever you go. So suppliers are there, they supply products, and these products are of different categories. Now, these products are ordered by customers. So these products are ordered, okay? And that's why we have a orders table where we are going to store information of all the orders that are being placed, and details of these orders. Like we have a order detail. I will just show you these tables. First I am trying to explain you what is the relationship here. So these orders are, the order details are being stored here, like you know what products are there, how what quantity is there. Who is making these orders? These orders are being made by customers, right? So customers are making these orders, and customers, while making these orders, employees are processing these orders. Okay, so we also have employees who are processing these orders, employees who are processing these orders. and once the order process is complete, these orders are also being sent to customers. And who is sending them? So we have shippers. Basically, when you order something, a shipper will arrive at your door, and that shipper will send you, or will, you will receive order from that shipper. Like some guy from that shipper's company comes to you. So is this simple flow diagram clear to you guys? That there are products, suppliers are providing those products. Every product has a category. Then customers are making orders. These orders have order details. Employees are processing the orders. Okay. And then orders are being shipped via different shippers to customers. And this is how it is going on. When you will look at the database, so you will understand this. Now just look at the database. So we have categories, we have customers, okay, we have employees, we have orders, order detail, etc. Now let's see some tables, because we have to learn whole SQL select commands, read commands, data analysis commands using this. So here we have products. In product we have product ID, product name. So this product ID is primary key. What is a primary key? A primary key is a unique identity of a record in a table. A primary key is the unique identity of a record in a table. So for every product we have a unique ID. Like if I say product ID 7, I am saying Uncle Bob's organic dried pears. If I say order ID product ID 10, I am saying Ekura. So every product has a unique ID, and that is called a primary key. But in a table there are also foreign keys. Supplier ID and category ID are foreign keys. What is a foreign key? A foreign key is something that is there in this table, but it belongs to another table. So if you will look at the ER diagram, you will see that in products table there are two foreign keys. One belongs to supplier and one belongs to categories. Is this part clear? Just look at this part, and is this clear? So now, but you can see one thing. Yes, there are two foreign keys here, but this product ID itself is a foreign key in another table. Okay. So in order details table, if we'll go to order details table, so we will see that here we have two foreign keys. One is the order ID, one is product ID. So that means in which order what product has been ordered. Okay. Like here you can see, if you arrange it by order ID, so you can see, let's do a quick screenshot and try to understand here. Because if you will understand this table, then our data analysis lectures will become very easy for SQL. So here is the order detail ID. Okay, this is order detail ID, ODID I will say, order detail ID. This is primary key here, but this order ID belongs to this table. Like in order ID 10248, three products were ordered, three different products were ordered. Product ID 11 was ordered at a unit price of 14, a quantity of 12. So what will be the actual price here? What will be the actual price? Actual price will be this multiplied by this, right? Unit price multiplied by quantity. So that we can, right? So that we can calculate, like here it will be 98, easy to tell. Okay. So the thing is, this is something that we can tell later. So but here you can see that in this table we have product ID, unit price. So this is order details. Okay. Now next thing is, so that's why in the diagram you can see that this product ID is a foreign key here, and in order ID is also a foreign key, that is in orders. So now let's see the orders table. So this orders table actually, this orders table has a lot of important information. In the order ID 10248, this is what we saw, right? 10248. So this was made by a customer called a customer with ID Ynet or Winet. And when we go to Winet, this is Vincent Alcool's Chevalier, and the contact name is Paul Henry. So what maybe I cannot pronounce the name correctly, but this is the customer details which are available in another table. And who received the order? Employee ID 5. This employee received the order. What was the date? When did the customer ask to deliver the order? What was the ship date? Like when was it shipped? So here I will ask you several questions like how many orders were shipped before required date? How many orders were shipped after required date? Do you get my question here? You will be able to tell that, right? How many orders were shipped after that, before that?
Yes.
So that is something that we will do. So here you can see we have the customer ID, and here we have employee ID, and that then you can see like we have customers, employees, shippers. Okay. So this is something that you can see, and this is how these different tables are related to each other. So first of all, is it now clear to you guys? Like orders, in orders we can find customers and employees, and ship via also. This is important. So this name ship via is given here, but here it is given as shipper. So this is important for us because here it is given as shipper and here it is given as ship via. So sometimes knowingly or sometimes unintentionally name of the columns will differ. So then also we have to create different type of we have to create different type of relationships and analyze the data. So this is the introduction to Northwind dataset that we are now going to use for data analysis.